The Ferrari 308. In 1975, Ferrari presented the world with its new 308 GTB at the Paris Motor Show. A transverse mid-engine rear-wheel drive two-seater to replace the Dino 246 GT and GTS. The car was powered by a 2.9-litre V8 engine, fed by 4 twin-choke Weber carbonators. The European version was producing 255 horsepower, while the US one only cranked 240 horsepower, due to emission regulations and the detuning needed to meet them.
So I tried to
The car's top speed was at 252 kilometers per hour. The car was equipped with 5-spoke 14-inch alloys as standard, and it was later offered with 16-inch alloys on the 328. The GTS version that came in 1977 was basically a GTB with a targa top.